Hello friends! Welcome to the channel TastyIrshad. Today I will make zucchini recipe. From what country and city do you watch this recipe video? I'm very curious about it. Let's get to know each other. Let's see from which country and city most people watch the video. Okay, let's go to the recipe. Cut thick slices of zucchini. Salt and pepper. It will be a very yummy dish. Set aside for 15 minutes. 5 tablespoon breadcrumbs. 5 tablespoon flour. Mix it. Four eggs. One teaspoon paprika. Pepper. Salt. Mix it. 100-gram cheese. Use your favorite cheese. Mix it. Dip the zucchini in flour mixture. Dip the zucchini slices in the egg mixture. Little oil. Fry every part of the zucchini 2 minutes. If you like this recipe, subscribe to the channel. This is helping channel developing. You can share this recipe with your friends, that they know what you want to eat. The tasty zucchini ready to serve.